Tonight we've got 709 coming round because we're going to show you how to fix an Xbox 360. Ah, here he is now. 709, come on man. Hello. Alright mate? What's the problem then with the boy?
Red light head.
Right.
Do you do something with it?
Yeah, not a problem. For the first part of this tutorial, we're going to make sure the Xbox is absolutely clean and free from grease.
You better turn it over, you didn't do the top.
That seems to have done the trick. Right, so leave to dry for about 10 minutes. Right, at this stage we're not completely happy with how dry the 360 is, so we're going to try and dry it ourselves. Ensure the console is in a safe place on the floor where you're going to dry it. Make sure it's well ventilated. Turn my wick off. Right, that seems to be drying nicely.
Yep.
Now for the last part of this tutorial, we've brought in another celebrity, David Beckham. He's had a few Xboxes and he's endured this problem before, so he knows the correct fix. Dave, over to you.
Go.
Now?
Now, I think we'll give 709 a shout and show him his Xbox has been repaired. Right, we're just waiting for 709 to come round and pick up his Xbox. Ah, that sounds like him now. Ah, 709, come on in. We had a few problems while we were doing your Xbox. But well, 709, there's your Xbox. As you can see, we've had a few problems.
Well, at least I know why it's not working.